Selecting the best chicken breeds for egg production is a crucial decision for poultry enthusiasts and small-scale farmers. The quality and quantity of eggs you receive can significantly depend on the breed you choose. Different chicken breeds are bred for various purposes, such as meat, eggs, or ornamental purposes. In this video, we will explore some of the best chicken breeds renowned for their excellent egg-laying capabilities. Welcome to Discover Agriculture YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button now and don't forget to click the bell icon for notifications on new videos. Best chicken breeds for egg production. White Leghorn. White Leghorns are renowned for their prolific egg production. They are small, active, and lay large, white eggs consistently. These birds are efficient layers and can produce over 280 eggs annually. Rhode Island Red. Rhode Island Reds are dual-purpose birds but are especially valued for their brown eggs. They are hardy and adaptable, making them a popular choice for backyard flocks. They typically lay around 200 to 300 eggs per year. Plymouth Rock. Plymouth Rocks are known for their reliability in laying brown eggs. They are docile, cold-hardy, and can lay around 200 to 280 eggs annually. Sussex. Sussex chickens come in various colors, including white, red, and speckled. They are excellent layers of large, brown eggs and can produce up to 250 eggs per year. Australorp. Australorps hold the world record for the most eggs laid by a single chicken in a year. They are known to lay around 250 to 300 large, brown eggs per year. They are also friendly and easy to manage. Isa Brown. Isa Browns are a commercial hybrid breed specially developed for egg production. They lay a remarkable 300 to 350 brown eggs annually. These birds are low maintenance and ideal for beginners. Golden Comet. Golden Comets are another hybrid breed known for their exceptional egg-laying abilities. They typically lay around 250 to 300 brown eggs per year. They are friendly and easy to handle. New Hampshire Red. Similar in appearance to the Rhode Island Red, New Hampshire Reds are reliable layers of brown eggs, averaging around 200 to 280 eggs annually. Easter Egger. Easter Eggers are famous for their colorful eggs, which can range from blue to green to pink. While their egg production isn't as high as some other breeds, they make up for it with their unique egg colors and friendly personalities. Legbar. Cream Legbars are known for their blue eggs and friendly disposition. They lay around 200 to 250 eggs per year, making them a good choice for both egg production and aesthetics. Conclusion. Selecting the best chicken breed for egg production depends on your specific needs and preferences. Whether you prioritize high egg production, egg color, or other factors like temperament and cold hardiness, there's likely a breed that suits your requirements. With the proper care and attention, these chicken breeds can provide you with a steady supply of fresh and delicious eggs for years to come, making them valuable additions to your backyard or small-scale farm. Hope you liked this video. Share this video with all friends and don't forget to subscribe Discover Agriculture channel. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.